even if you do not have a monetized YouTube account, you can make much money and survive through content creation. Hey, what's up? My name is Michael and I'm here today to discuss with you about money making online. This is not just going to be a video of words. It is a practical session because I'm going to take you through the methods I personally use to make money online. Recently, I posted that I received my Google AdSense pin. It simply means I'm eligible to earn money online through YouTube Partners Program. So I earn money through YouTube, and I'm going to tell you 3 more other methods or means you can use in order to earn money online. Well, the first method you need to take in order to earn money online is actually to build the online presence. The moment you are authentic and very many people know you, it means your word reached very many people. So when you talk about a product online, people will actually follow it and go and buy it. And so many companies outside there would like to partner with you as a salesperson. You can either earn commission from that, or those companies actually pay you to directly promote their products. And there are a lot of people who are actually surviving on that method. Method number 2 is monetizing your content. You know, we are all content creators. Some are monetized and others survive in different ways. But if you have actually built your presence online, it means you have what it takes in order to monetize your content. Monetizing your content means by different social media platforms. I will basically talk about YouTube. If you monetize your content on YouTube, it simply means YouTube is going to start putting adverts on your videos. And when they put adverts on your videos, they will give you 60% of the money that they make, and for them, they actually take 40%. It simply means at the end of each and every month, you are going to be earning money because of the content that you make. So if you want to start making money online via YouTube, you are supposed to meet a few minimum requirements. For example, the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within 1 year. You're supposed to meet this requirement within 1 year. Then after that, you'll open a YouTube AdSense account, and then you'll be allowed to enter into the YouTube Partners Program. And that is all enough. After you apply for the PIN, that will allow you to actually verify your address, and that allows you to start earning money through YouTube. Number 3 is actually earning commission through referrals. When you have built your presence online, it simply means you can refer to any product, or you can do a mention in your videos, or pay a paid promotion video. So when a company approaches you and they tell you to actually make for them a video that they pay for, that will be one of your sources of earning. Or you can create a mention that leads to referrals, and you start earning commission from the sales each and every customer from your YouTube channel goes and he makes. So you can earn money through paid promotion and referrals on YouTube, and also you can earn money through building your presence online, and also you can earn money through monetizing your content. Number 4, and this is the most important and the easiest way you can earn money online, is selling your own products. You know, this simply means you're becoming a boss of your own. So by selling your own products means that you advertise your products in your videos. For example, for my case, I sell these remote bulbs. So this is a bulb that is so interesting because it changes color with a remote. Every bulb comes with a remote, so it's a unique bulb that I normally sell in most of my videos. So if I mention a bulb at the end, in the beginning, or in the middle of my videos, and any individual feels interested with it, I can definitely deliver to them and they will make money out of that. So even if I don't own these bulbs personally, if I have a partnership with big businesses that they already know me as a salesperson or as an influencer, they can give me these offers to sell for them, and I will be earning a big commission out of these bulbs. Though these bulbs are personally mine and I sell them, but even if you don't have capital to buy any product that you can sell within your videos, you can actually partner with existing organizations and businessmen and companies to actually sell products on their behalf. You can do a mention and practically show them how those products work, and actually you'll be earning a lot of money from that. So even if you do not have a monetized YouTube account, you can make much money and survive through content creation. So online is the way to go. Many businesses today are online. The marketing has moved online, and everything requires you to have a good presence online. So I encourage all my followers, don't just be a consumer. Don't just listen to this message and keep it for yourself. Go outside there and start creating content that is meaningful. Even if your goal is not to sell anything online, even if your goal is not to be an influencer, you can make content and monetize it and earn huge sums of money. Yes, some of us were not inspired by anyone because we saw it coming. We saw that this world is actually moving digital, and we forced ourselves to enter into the YouTube stuff. So you too, you may not enter YouTube, but you can go to TikTok, you can go to WhatsApp, you can go to Facebook, you can go to Twitter, you can go to Instagram, and actually do all these things that I'm actually telling you here on YouTube, because all those social media platforms have different strategies and ways of actually making money online. Because I'm so much passionate about YouTube, that's why I know much more regarding making money online and basically on YouTube. So if you need to learn anything beyond this, if you want to start a YouTube channel, I know from the beginning up to the end, because my channel is monetized through my own efforts. So I can guide you and take you through this process free of charge. Kindly comment about anything else that you'd love me to talk about, or anything else you want to know about online money making. There is also affiliate programs where you can also share links of products that are on different websites, and if you make sales, you'll also be earning commission from that. So there are a lot of ways of actually making money online, but feel free to comment about anything else you'd like me to talk about. And thank you so much always for watching and following me. Have a nice time. Bye bye.